Just picked this up at Walmart. Got it for 20 bucks. It's a dual AM/FM digital media receiver with Bluetooth. So it does have Bluetooth. It's got a USB input. Plays MP3s, usual stuff for radio. It's got an aux input, 120 watts. I was hoping it was 200. It's not a CD player. They do have a $50 one, and that one does include the CD player. I've already got a head unit in here. I'm just going to be removing this one because it doesn't have Bluetooth. It's kind of old technology. It does have this USB port, but I don't know, I'm getting tired of using that. I'd rather just play stuff off my phone, and then we'll test out the quality of the Bluetooth and also the call quality, see how it works out. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on this. Depending on what kind of car you have, it might be a little different. I've done a head unit in this car a few times. You're going to need a few tools right here. I got a pair of wire cutters, Phillips flathead screwdriver, and these are wire strippers. And I'm not going to do like a hardcore install on this. I'm just going to use wire nuts or whatever's inside this one. I'm going to take this dash apart. This is one of the easiest cars to take apart because everything just snaps apart, just like so. Alright, so what you get in the box is instruction manual, your remote control, the wiring harness. If you have a factory head unit in your car, you're going to need to buy a separate wiring harness that's made for your vehicle. That way it'll just be a plug and play. And here's the unit. They make these smaller because it doesn't have a CD player. That's why they make them bigger than this. And then you got to remove this thing. But I'm just going to slide this radio out. And that's it. Here's the old head unit, wiring harness. Yeah, see, it does not fit in the new one. It would be so nice if it just plugged into the back of here, but of course nothing's that easy. Luckily these are all pre-spliced, so you just pull these off. And it's a lot easier to do this without plugging it in first. Because if you plug it in, then you're going to have to hold this while you're hooking them up. So I'll just leave this disconnected. Now I'm just going to start hooking all these up. I'm going to hook these up last just because they're the main wires. Everything's hooked up now. I'm pretty sure this thing has to come off. Just bend that up a little bit. Should just slide off after that. Then you'll have all your mounting spots right there. Good stuff. So the antenna on this one goes on this side. The other side was on that side. You're just going to hook in your wiring harness. It's not a very good fitment. And just slide that back in there. All right. Hook the car back up. probably a good idea to check the radio to make sure it works before you start putting all your trim pieces and stuff back on. But I have a good idea it's going to work. There we go. Alright, moment of truth right here. The buttons on here feel really nice. Find something local.
Customers were compensated for their time. Opinions are their own. Offer eligibility varies. Open Door is represented by Open Door Brokerage Incorporated, license 020-61130 in California, and Open Door Brokerage LLC and its other
When
markets.
it comes to using data, everyone is different, which is why Xfinity Mobile created a different.
Alright, I'm gonna try to hook it up to my phone. Should find it on here. Alright, so now I see it popped up, dual media player. Just click on it. It might ask for a passcode. Alright, I'm gonna go with 1, 2, 3, 4. It says it's connected now.
Advice payment plan.
So now we're gonna switch over the mode to Bluetooth. And I'll just find some royalty-free music here. Yeah, it's got a real good sound to it. It's nice and loud. 'Plenty loud enough, and I've only got 2 speakers hooked up right now in the front because I gotta still hook up the ones in the back, but this thing works real good. So yeah, I appreciate you checking out the video, and I'll see you in the next one.